Hi, I'm Water. In this video, we're going to be going over how the Prisma 2 case has actually been rising the past few days, and while it is rising at a pretty stagnant price point. You can check it out from this chart for the past few weeks. We did slowly start to rise at the start of September, and has been slowly rising ever since at a very consistent rate, which is making it rise in price. Now, Prisma 2 is actually the most recent case to go ahead and hit the rare drop pool, and while it does appear like a lot of people are capitalizing on its low price point at the moment to hopefully wait off and sell it when it's way higher in price. You may or may not have heard the current saying, which the Prisma cases are the next chromas, and that's why there's so many people who are willing to grab a bunch of them and wait off until the future. Now, in my previous video, I did talk about 5 other cases which you should maybe be looking out for in the next market crash to be investing into. So if you haven't watched that, I definitely recommend you check it out, as I talk about different cases, why each of them are good, and while just like Prisma 2, seeing as they are essentially at all-time highs, this wouldn't be the best opportunity to buy into it, but more so just watch out for it, wait for it to go down in price, and then maybe get it at that point. There will be an operation coming very soon, so that's why this is something to definitely be expecting. Saying this though, it will be interesting to see when this Prisma 2 case hype actually begins to slow down, as it has been increasing at a pretty constant rate recently, but obviously there is still millions of these cases out there in supply, with many people probably not even realizing that it is going up in price, and when they do, they'll go ahead and start listing thousands. This is something which happens time and time again, and especially something like the Prisma case, which most people who are currently invested into it are invested for the long term. They're not really constantly checking up on it to see if it does increase to go ahead and list it for profit. Saying this though, it also appears like this hype does stem from somewhere around China, as on the buff marketplace it is also booming there as well. Most of the time when we see major price increases like this, we just see a similar following trend over on a different marketplace like buff, but it seems like in this case it's sort of the exact opposite. The big price increase is happening over from buff, which is translating it over to the Steam marketplace. With this all being said, this is what is going on with the Prisma 2 case, and if you did miss my previous video where I did talk about 5 different cases you should be watching out for to invest in, I definitely recommend you check it out. But I hope you are staying hydrated. Until next time, it's been Water, and I'm out. Peace.